guys, today we are going to I can't really tell you, but I'm gonna tell you. It's super fun. So we're going to get a bird from the pet store. Yeah, you know there's a lot of snakes there. I was hoping to get a snake, but my mom's afraid of snakes, so I thought we were going to get a bird instead. So let's get on it. Guys, we're definitely here, and look at these fish. They're so little, like I can't even see them. They're like Tono, but they're so little. Yeah, they're little. But let's come over to the big ones. Come on here. Come on here. Wait. But first, let's see what these are. I can't really see anything in here. But look at these shells. I can't see anything in here. But okay, you guys. I've chosen what bird I want. I want this green one, and let's see what my sister wants. Nice. This. You want this one? Yes. I don't know what he eats, but it looks like hay. Okay, but we don't have hay in our home. Well, maybe they've got here. Okay, so what? Unai, you want a bird? Look, bird. You want the green one? And yes. Okay, so my sister wants a green one too. So let's get it. There's no there. And there? No, there's none. Hey, I can keep it. Okay, I got the bird.
There you go.
Does it move?
Yeah, they'll move. They'll fly around.
Did you make sure one is a boy and one is a girl?
I did. You could tell the colors on their nose. So the girl has the blue, and the boy has it's white here.
Okay.
You know what that one?
Yeah, it's heavy.
Do you want me to hold the birds?
Yeah,
Here.
sure.
There you go. Use those muscles.
I've got the birds, and all of the stuff is in there. So it's about to go home. So it's been really fun to see you guys, and make sure to subscribe to my channel and click that subscribe button. If you click that subscribe button, you will turn blue. So hit that subscribe button and peace.